Hello, today I wanted to talk to you about this really fun and cute coffee mug. This is a take on the classic coffee pitcher from when you make coffee. That is my coffee maker back there. I don't know if you can tell, but this is supposed to be just a really fun take on that. It holds up to 20 ounces. It is glass. It is made of borosilicate glass, which is known to be heat and cold tolerant. So if you wanted a hot cup of coffee or whatever, you could do that with this. Or if you wanted some iced coffee, you could also, of course, use this. I think the brand name of this is pretty cool. It's called Cupa. And by the way, I want to give them a shout out for sending this to me in exchange for just sharing it with y'all. However, I wanted to. The lid is silicone. See how easily that came off, but it fits snugly. And you've got the hole to drink out of. You've got a hole to drink out of, and then 3 holes for venting. This would make a really fun gift for any coffee lover out there. I know they'd get a good kick out of this. It would also be really fun at Christmas time. If you're playing the Chinese Christmas or White Elephant games, this would be a really fun gift to receive. It's not a massive mug compared to most mugs on the market today, but it is a bigger mug. It probably would not fit in cup holders, in traditional cup holders. I don't think it's necessarily meant for that, but it is still really fun and enjoyable to drink out of. So 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.